The next most common indicator we see in kids with fine motor issues is they have weak core strength. So if you remember that drawing of the cerebellum in the past video where it had that green strip in the middle, that's the midline of the cerebellum. That's what needs to develop first in order for fine motor issues to be able to succeed. So the midline, that green area, was what was in control of your core strength and your trunk muscles. So that's what we're going to test right now. Okay, so what we're going to test for core strength is a Superman pose. And what we want your child to be able to do is to be able to hold this for about 30 seconds without a lot of struggle. So what they're going to do is just lay straight down on their stomach, and they're going to raise both hands and both legs, and they're going to hold this for about 30 seconds. And you're going to see if they can hold that without a lot of struggle, without moving their body around. And if they can hold that, that means that their core strength is satisfactory. And if they can't, it means that their core strength never fully developed, which means that midline cerebellum never fully developed. And we know if the midline, that core strength never fully developed, then the outside where the fine motor develops definitely did not develop the way that it should. So again, how do we help that? We need to give the midline cerebellum more stimulation and more strengthening, just like that tricep, so that it can get stronger and stronger and stronger. And once the midline gets strong, then the lateral part will get strong, which is where you're going to get those fine motor improvements. And the last indicator we find in kids with fine motor issues is from our nerve system testing that we do in our office. So your nerve system can really be in one of two states at any time. It can be in like a fight or flight, gas pedal, red alert, survival state, or it can be in a calm, restful, growing state. And most kids with fine motor issues are in that more gas pedal, red alert state because they have those key areas of the brain that haven't quite fully strengthened. So the nerve system testing at our office will actually let us test this and see it with our own eyes where your child's at. How far into the gas pedal are they? How far into the restful state are they? So the presence of primitive reflexes, weak core strength, and a nerve system testing that shows your child's in more of a sympathetic gas pedal, red alert type of state are the three indicators that we find that show there is a presence of the primary condition of an underperforming nerve system, which leads to that secondary condition of fine motor issues. We will make the next part of this series, but as always, click the link in our bio, get our free fine motor ebook, as well as a step-by-step solution of how to help your child with fine motor issues.